Welcome to Department of Civil Engineering. The Department of Civil Engineering is one of the premier engineering departments and established in the year 1979. The department offers BE, MTech in Environmental Engineering and MTech in Structural Engineering, which are affiliated to VTU and are approved by AICTE. Civil engineering is headed by highly experienced professors and is supported by well-qualified faculty members and skilled non-teaching staffs. The department has a total number of 30 faculty members, which includes 5 professors, 3 associate professors and 22 assistant professors. It is our privilege that principal of our organization, Dr. H.B. Aravinda, is also a professor of Department of Civil Engineering. Department is headed by Dr. C.P. Anilakumar and he is also the coordinator of MTech in Structural Engineering. Dr. S. Suresh is the professor and coordinator of MTech in Environmental Engineering. Civil engineering is a professional engineering discipline which deals with the design, construction and maintenance of physical and naturally built environment, including works like roads, bridges, dams, canals, airports, sewage systems, pipelines and railways. The department is having highly equipped laboratories and testing facilities like construction material testing, NDT, geotechnical investigations, hydraulics laboratory, environmental laboratory, CAD labs and also MTech structural laboratories. The department has been always in forefront in taking up R&D initiatives with 2 research centers and department has produced many research scholars. Department undertakes consultancy assignments which includes material testing, structural design checking, quality of water testing and third-party inspections for both government and non-government organizations. It feels proud to say that the department has been funded with an amount of 2.02 crores from various funding agencies for 15 research projects. The vision of the department is to train the students to become civil engineers with leadership qualities, having ability to take up the professional assignments and research with a focus on innovative approach to cater the needs of society. And the mission of the department is to provide quality education through updated curriculum and conducive teaching learning environment to excel in higher studies, competitive examinations, research activities and to impart soft skills, leadership qualities and also professional ethics. Thank you.